How to hide one app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you how you can hide one app from the app library, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon which phone you are using, whether you're using iPhone or whether you're using Android, and on Android also which Android are you exactly using and which launcher are you using, because if you have Vivo, Oppo, you have the ColorOS. If you have OnePlus, you have Oxygen OS. If you have Samsung, you have One UI. If you have Redmi, you have MIUI, and so on, because different Android manufacturers have their own operating system, and the process to hide application on each of these operating system is basically different. Now in this case I'll just show you using my phone's default launcher. It could not be the case in yours, but on my Samsung One UI this is how you do it, right? So in my case I just tap on the three dots here and then I go to my settings of my app launcher. So once I go to the settings of my home screen settings, I would need to scroll down, and here you can see hide apps on home screen, right? So I'd basically just tap on hide apps on home screen, and then I'd need to select the app that I want to hide. In this case I'll just choose Facebook Lite, let's say. You'll see the app over here, and then I'll just tap on done. Now when I hide it, you will notice that the Facebook Lite application is actually missing over here. If you want to unhide it, you can just tap on the three dots again. You can come to settings, and then you can scroll down, tap on the button that says hide apps, and then just remove the Facebook Lite app, and then tap on done over here. This is how you can hide one single app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.